What's up, you guys? In this tutorial I will be talking about how you can hide your subscriptions on YouTube. So you might have come across when you went into a specific channel and then you went to, instead of home and videos tab, you went into channels. You can see a section featured channels, and then there is a section called subscriptions, and these subscriptions are visible to everyone. So you might check out what your favorite YouTubers like if they have not made this section private. And also you might share your own subscriptions publicly, or vice versa, you might want to hide. So in order to hide this option, you would need to go to Studio. One way is to customize channel, manage videos, or press here and then YouTube Studio, and I have opened it here. Then scroll down to settings, channel, advanced settings, and then there will be at the very bottom manage YouTube account. This will open up a new window, and then you can see privacy option, and here there is playlist and subscriptions option. If you press that, as you can see, I have turned it off, meaning mine are public, but you can press that and then keep all my subscriptions private will be enabled. So let's refresh the page. And as you can see, this section has been hidden and no longer people can see this information publicly. Also, this is quite good to know, because when you subscribe to a channel, so for example, I subscribe to a channel and then if I have this feature made private, then the person I have subscribed to will not know that I have subscribed, because this information is private. However, if I made this information public, when a channel goes to see their subscribers, they will be able to see that I have subscribed to their channel. So I hope that this tutorial is useful. Please press the like button if you have found it useful, and hopefully see you in another video, and have a great day.